Integrating Terraform with Azure DevOps enables automated infrastructure as code management, streamlining the deployment and management of Azure resources. Here are steps to integrate Terraform with Azure DevOps. Install Terraform extension in Azure DevOps. Navigate to Azure DevOps. Log into your Azure DevOps account and go to your project. Access extensions. Go to Project Settings, Extensions. Install Terraform extension. Search for Terraform in the extension marketplace and install the extension for your project. Configure Azure Service Connection. Go to Project Settings. In Azure DevOps, navigate to Project Settings, Service Connections. Add Azure Service Connection. Click New Service Connection and select Azure Resource Manager. Provide credentials. Enter your Azure credentials, including subscription ID, client secret, and tenant ID to establish the connection. Set up Terraform scripts in Azure DevOps pipeline. Create Terraform configuration. Write Terraform configuration files that define the infrastructure you want to manage on Azure. Add Terraform task in pipeline. In your Azure DevOps pipeline, add a task for Terraform. Choose the Terraform version. Specify the path to your Terraform script directory. Set up your Azure Service Connection created earlier. Run Terraform commands. Apply changes. Use the Terraform apply command in the pipeline to apply infrastructure changes defined in your Terraform configuration. Monitor and manage infrastructure. Review changes. After deploying with Terraform, monitor infrastructure changes directly within Azure DevOps and manage resources efficiently.